Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 careers you can do with a finance degree other than banking. There are so many different roles in banking, covering so many areas with fantastic opportunities to specialize or progress. As well as retail banking, insurance and pensions, other sectors include business banking, investment management, life assurance, and regulated financial advice. And within those sectors, there are a range of roles. If you enjoy problem solving, a career in trading may be right for you. Perhaps you like computers and gadgets? IT may be a good fit. And if you're outgoing and enjoy talking to people, there are lots of roles in sales, customer services, and human resources. Jobs in finance vary hugely, and so do the people who work in the financial services sector, from techies to creatives and people with great soft skills. Speaking at one of our Reach events, Jagdeep Rai, Regional Director at HSBC, told us she believes she has the best job in the world. You get to meet so many different kinds of people from all different walks of life, all kinds of customers, all kinds of businesses, from your farmer up in East Anglia to your high-tech company. Financial companies are pioneering. Fintech companies like Moneybox, Pento, and Truelayer appear in the top 10 of startups to work for in 2021. And thanks to digital banking and finance, the whole industry is changing at a tremendous pace. New markets will be discovered for services that have yet to be designed, and technology is taking the place of pen-pushing, and customer-facing roles are becoming more complex. Banking and sustainable finance also play a vital role in tackling climate change and helping the world adapt to its consequences. You can enter banking at different levels. Many successful financial services professionals join straight from school or move into financial services from another sector. If you take this route, you train as you work and can take professional qualifications as you go. If you're leaving school now at either 16 or post-level, look for school leaver schemes and apprenticeships. Degree-level apprenticeships are open to all ages and combine working with studying for a degree. Or you can just apply for a job. There are also some great graduate schemes if you're just leaving university. Or if you're thinking about your route to study for a degree, you might consider a relevant degree. There are some very good banking and finance degrees at both undergraduate and postgraduate level. These are a fantastic foundation for a career in the sector or to move your career on. Banking offers opportunity to progress. Banking and finance is always changing and adapting, so throughout your career, you'll be able to take advantage of training and studying opportunities. As with most careers, the more experience you gain, the more responsibility you can expect. That can lead to promotion, a higher salary, and the chance to develop your expertise. There are professional qualifications in all kinds of subjects, including banking ethics, trade finance, investment management, risk, customer relations, and financial advice. Your employer will most likely cover the cost. Why banking and finance? Banking and finance explores the dynamic, fast-paced world of money, shares, credit, and investments. Finance is an essential part of our economy as it provides the liquidity in terms of money or assets required for individuals and businesses to invest for the future. When you choose to major in banking and finance, you will explore the systemized movement and management of money. In firms, the finance function ensures that activities are funded with equity or debt, and the firms can choose value-enhancing project and manage cash flows, risk, and liquidity in the interest of their stakeholders. Financial markets are very important, and understanding the pricing of assets and derivative securities is vital. Financial intermediaries such as banks are key players in these financial markets. Banking is also a global industry with over 60 banks operating across Australia and thousands of institutions and investment houses across the world dealing with money circulation, credit, investments, financing, superannuation, and more. Finance is continuously changing, which makes this subject a fascinating area to study. Endless career options. Studying banking and finance provides you with a foundation for a broad range of careers across banking, broking, consulting, funds management, insurance, and superannuation. You may work with corporates in financial markets or with government. It is also a discipline that can take you anywhere in the world. Professional membership. We have strong links with the Financial Services Institute of Australasia, FinCEA, and CFA Institute. These professional memberships are valued highly within the workforce and may provide further career opportunities. 7 careers you can do with a finance degree other than banking. Finance is one of the most popular choices for postgraduate business study with the Graduate Management Admissions Council, GMAC, reporting that 23% of potential students would consider a master's in finance degree in 2018, topping the table for master's programs according to data from Poets and Quants. Many finance graduates have one field in mind: banking. With great wages and fantastic opportunities for progression, it's easy to see why banking remains so popular. However, there are many other jobs suited to those with a finance qualification. So whether you have an undergraduate finance degree, a finance master's, or an MBA specializing in finance, read on to find out 7 careers you should consider. 1. Management consultant. Management consultants help organizations solve problems, improve business performance, create value, and maximize growth. They identify solutions for business troubles and make suggestions for changes to implement. Management consulting can be an extremely rewarding career for job satisfaction and remuneration. Consultancy suits people who thrive off variety, as days can be exciting and unpredictable. For example, you might be needed at client sites at the last minute, there's a lot of travel, and you will meet a huge range of interesting people. Competition is fierce, and applicants with MBA or business master's degrees will find it considerably easier to get into the field. 2. Trader or stockbroker. A stock trader either works for themselves or for a firm, buying and selling stocks. Traders may also buy and sell bonds, metals, and other financial instruments. Trading is a fast-paced and high-pressure career, best suited to those with bold, dynamic personalities. Hours are very long, usually starting early for the opening of international markets. Traders have very little supervision, so this career will suit you if you're individualistic and self-disciplined. Traders who perform poorly will find themselves out of a job very quickly. It's a cutthroat environment, but with the potential for very high rewards. 3. Accountant. Accountancy is always a popular career path for finance graduates. Accountants are employed by companies and individuals to assist with financial business issues such as taxation, analyzing profit and loss, budgeting, and detecting fraud. Very close attention to detail is essential, plus communication skills to convey complex financial information to colleagues, senior management, and clients. In-house accountants prepare profit and loss statements, accounting reports, and key information for annual reports, plus other financial tasks. Alternative career paths in accountancy include forensic accounting, tax advisors, and chartered accountancy. 4. Financial manager or CFO. A financial manager or CFO, Chief Financial Officer, is responsible for providing financial guidance and support to clients and colleagues. Employers come from a wide range of industries in both the public and private sectors. In larger companies, the role may be more concerned with strategic analysis, while in smaller businesses, you might be responsible for the collection and preparation of accounts. Other responsibilities can include managing budgets, arranging new sources of finance, and liaising with auditors to ensure annual monitoring is carried out. Financial manager/CFO are senior roles, so will require progression within a company. 5. Actuary. Actuaries evaluate, manage, and advise on financial risk. They use financial and statistic theories to assess the likelihood of a particular event and the possible financial costs. With this knowledge, they can design creative ways to reduce the likelihood of undesirable events occurring and decrease the impact of undesirable events that do occur. The study of uncertain future events by actuaries are of special concern to insurance and pensions companies, but actuaries can work in a wide range of sectors. They are highly skilled individuals and as such are often in high demand. Work is high pressured and you may be expected to work overtime frequently. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.